I'm going to dangerously assume you have seen a movie. So let's talk about one of your favorite movies that you've seen at least 4 times. Did you notice that you noticed something new each time you watched this movie? And yeah, did you notice that you saw something different each time you rewatched this movie? The differences between conscious, subconscious, and unconscious mind. This is a homework for you to discover, as I wish to keep this video short. I just wanted to quickly mention the word metacognition. Meta just means about, whatever the root word is. In this situation, the root word is cognition, which means thinking. So metacognition is thinking about thinking. Unit 2, Section 8, we will dive deeper. First, calculate the numerator as it falls under the category of grouping based on yamma. Second, calculate the denominator as its own grouping. Lastly, divide 30 by 5. The answer equals 6. See the description below for seeing more examples or downloading the free Algebra Workbook.